Jai Shri Ram. Hello and welcome back to another video of a stock analysis for the Monday trade setup. So our first stock in this video we will discuss three soon breakout stocks and breakout 2B stocks. There will be total 6 stocks in this. So our first stock is Taj GVK. If you go to my Twitter profile, I have already shared the stock at the level of 245 and it retested the level of 280 after giving our first targets. And now if we check it over the weekly time frame, तो ये स्टॉक ने 18 years का रेजिस्टेंस एक ब्रेकआउट दिया था एंड देन इट रीटेस्ट इट्स मेजर सपोर्ट एरिया और अ प्रीवियस ब्रेकआउट एरिया रेजिस्टेंस एरिया. सो अगर हम आज के टाइम में एक्सपैंड करें एंड वी सी द 1 year चार्ट ऑफ दिस स्टॉक, तो एक्चुअली इसमें हुआ क्या है, इसने एट द लेवल ऑफ 280 रेजिस्टेंस लेके एक हैंडल काइंड ऑफ बनाकर और एक ब्रेकआउट दिया था एंड इट अचीव्स द टारगेट ऑफ अराउंड 424 17 14 and there it consolidated a bit and then make a retest to the previous breakout level and form a down volume consolidation kind of, and then it gives a breakout from this zone at the level of 246 247 346 347, and then it gives a breakout in the previous week from the all-time high levels. So for us it will be a next week to be in a watchlist stock or to be a traded stock. So our first target over the stock is around 510, then to the 580, and then to the 677. Friends, in a general fundamental viewpoint, if I say the stock has a good, very good fundamental and it's in my portfolio, so I suggest you, if you are looking for some swing or some quick bucks in a stock, then Taj GVK is a good to you. Our next stock is Apollo Microsystems. I recommended this stocks at the level of around the 90 and something. It achieved the target of 150 around last year, and now the stock has given a good breakout from the trend line with a very nice base formation, and at the level of 137 138 we are assuming it's a breakout, and all the possible upsides are marked at the level of 155 176 185 195 and 215. So it's a huge volume candle. I'm not aware if there's any kind of news in this stock, but if I talk about the fundamental viewpoint, so fundamental इसके बहुत strong है, and I will suggest you to have this stock in your watch list for the coming week. My next stock is ITI, that is Indian Telephone Industry Limited, and the stock has given a massive breakout in the last week. We can see it's in a trapped resistance in the support zone. So basically it took the 3 times resistance and the 3 times support in a chart of weekly calendar, and now after a big sprout volume it has given a breakout around at the level of 350 to 360 and then to the 370 to 380. As we can see, a major breakout in this. In a 1-2 day we can see it may be a go upside and test the level of 510, or it may rest at this level at the level of 445 430 450 460 and then give a breakout towards the level of 580. So it's a must have stock in a coming week. Our next stock is Bata India. Actually we took it in a watch list, as I am seeing it's at the breakout soon stock. It's taking a resistance of a trend line and obviously taking a support over the demand zone, and you can see gritstone doji at the bottom in the demand zone, and it's forming a consolidation at this area with some good volume. Besides that, I take it this trend line as a small resistance, and then this as a major resistance, and you may take a small trade towards this level after the clearance of the trend line, or after clearing this level at the level of this 1660 to 1620. After a breakout of this zone, I am seeing this around the level of 1850 and then to the 2000 above levels. So it's a good stock. Mark it in your watch list of breakout zone. And now our next stock is Jubilant Foodworks. And sorry, I marked all over the future chart. I traded it in the future. So actually in the last 2 years, the stock formed a cup and handle pattern, and then it gives the trend line breakout also in this stock. We see a split small gains here, then a formation of retest in a handle of a cup, and in the previous week it gives a breakout in this candle. So we can see an immediate resistance around the level of 800 820, and after that we can see a levels towards the 950 and towards above the 1000 in this stock. If you go to the daily time frame in this stock, let's see, we can see a formation of a small cup and handle pattern and a breakout in this. So we may test this at the level of 740, 720 in the range, and then retesting the major resistance zone of 800 above. Or we can, if we look over the weekly candle, then it's like let's wait for the clearance of major resistance zone. And the last stock, sixth and last stock, is Deccan Cement. Definitely a huge breakout, but as we can say, a major resistance is on charts around the level of 790 to the 800 levels. Before above to it, I'm seeing the level of 1000 and plus in this stock. You can see a smart cup and handle pattern over the last 2 years and more, even more, I think 3 years more. So definitely we the targets are coming in a chart, but I will wait for a trade above the 800 level if we see a volume breakout with a good weekly candle close like the candle we get here. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching a video.